Hey yo guys, it's Freddie Blvck. I'm about to take you guys through a beat breakdown I just made recently. But first, I'm gonna preview the beat so you guys can hear.
Freddie, my cool young mind.
Okay, let's see how the drum sounds like. Cause I started it with this mad drum. So it's all coming through like, you know. I had to layer it with this mad shaker. So here's what the shaker sounds like only the shaker. Very, very sick. And that wasn't all. I just had to add another shaker because I'm never okay. This whole pack, I got it from that like the Teflon kit. I hope you check it out. It's sick. Only with the drums you can just see everything through. You understand? So and then because I wasn't still okay, I like my drums being stacked and peeled, you understand? So I had to layer it with these last packs and percussion. The drum is giving, so with this alone, Naramali can jump on. I had to, start it up with the basic chords. So it was just basic. So let's hear what it sounds like with the drums, like just the chords and the drums. I had to like render the chord progression because I didn't really have much bass in my system. So now let's see what the chord progression looks like. Feel me? Just very basic and simple. I think another thing that came through was this sick vocal sample. I had to chop it though. Let's see how it sounds with the chord and the drums. So only the vocal sample. Let's see. Yeah, and we have this piano melody right here. It's basically it's still the same thing with the chord progression, like the basic chord progression. Yeah, is what it sounds like. It's just normal, like the first one. Basically, I used labs, the normal soft piano. We have this second vocal sample, which I still added because I like my things simple but a little bit complicated, like I told you earlier. I don't even know if there will ever be a time I'll make a beat without using vocal sample. I love vocal samples. So now here is another thing. I added this bounce, yeah, from soft and from sky keys. Initially, I was going to start this whole beat with this progression, but then a lot of people are always starting I've seen a lot of beats online with this same pattern of play. So I had to like start it differently because I didn't want to like sound like another person. I don't like sounding like other people. I added something else. It's like a kind of muted guitar shit. So I just had to add it there. So everything from the intro. So my pre-chorus, I like making every section of the beats different, section of the beats different somehow. I don't like it straight. I don't like my beat straightforward. I like little changes in my beat. Little, not much, but very, very effective. I added this plug sound from Plex. Let's listen to what it sounds like. Synth plug body. That's the name of the plugin. Just simple. Gets it very simple. And then I added this 808 bass. It's like an 808 conga, sha, but I just made it my bass as well. And then I still added this wrist bass so it can just balance the low end and everything. Let's hear what the pre-chorus sounds like. The chorus, I didn't do much though. I think the only new thing I element I added was like a guitar sample. This that was the only element I added. Yo, very sweet. Okay, I did something else with the bass. I did something else with the bass. I used this time around I was using synth bass. Here's what it looks like in the piano roll. So let's hear what the chorus sounds like. And something I didn't say, I really want to say it now. Like, it's been an amazing week, linking up with SC Tuts. You know how long I've been following this guy? I've been watching this guy's video for like let's say 3 years now, or sorry, 2 years. 2 years. I've learned a lot from SC You understand? So if you find this video helpful, I want you guys to go subscribe. Just very simple. Bonk. All right. That's it.